Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Bagherwal. Welcome to Salesforce. In this video, I will be talking about Einstein GPT, Salesforce Generative AI for CRM. So let's talk about the capabilities of Einstein GPT. It can write the content in a personalized manner for the agents or executives. So in day-to-day, agents or executives send out emails or messages to their customers. Einstein GPT can help you write those emails or messages. You don't have to write each and every single email by yourself. GPT can do it for you. Yeah, there could be possibility that you might want to make some changes in that. That you can do. But just imagine it can reduce a lot of time for you. That's not it. Let's say you want to see some insights from the data based upon the communication that you are taking with the customer. You cannot create the report at that moment, but if you just write a single line of prompt and which has the right information to generate the outcome, GPT will give you the report. It will generate the report with the real time data, and it will give you the insights as well if you are looking for it. That's not it. Let's talk about the admins and consultants. It can automate the tasks such as enablement or disablement of features or users or resetting the password for users. Those tasks could be automated by the GPT. For developers, it can write the flows, it can write the Apex classes, it can write test classes. So all those stuff can be done by GPT as well. So what that means? That doesn't mean that now there is no need for admins or consultants or agents or executives. No, that it doesn't mean that. It means that it will boost your efficiency to work. How it does that? So basically, let's say an agent writes 100 emails in a single day to their customers, and it takes let's say 6 hours of the time for the day. Now 80% of the email content he can write using the GPT, and that saves the 4 hours of the agent. That is kind of the efficiency booster we are talking about. Similar for the admins and developers. It can create automations, but we cannot say that those automations will be 100% perfect or 100% fulfilling the scenario. There could be the need for human intervention to make them fit in the business scenario that we are looking for. So it's gonna improve the efficiency of the workforce, whether it is agent, whether it is executive who are working on Salesforce, or whether it is operations team, support team, or admins or consultants who are working behind the scenes to manage and to enhance Salesforce platform. So it's gonna be a very helpful or efficiency booster tool that I can say. Now let's talk about what are the specific launches that Salesforce is going to make. That is, it is going to come up with the specific GPTs for different clouds or different uh, chat apps or for developers. So it will be different for sales, for service, for marketing, Slack app, and for developers. So those kind of launches Salesforce is planning to come up with. So it is going to be a very helpful tool, and that's not it. It's not like we can just start using this tool. We would also need some new kind of skills to communicate with this GPT and to get out the results that we are exactly looking for. That's not straightforward like a Google search. We need to learn the prompt engineering. So what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the how you write a text in not a very long format to get the exact results or to get the expected results that you want. So on those skills we have to work upon how we can because if we talk about writing a flow, there could be lots of conditions, there could be lots of parameters, looping on the records as well as getting data, updating data. There could be some subflows working in or some apex triggering. So all those things can be there. So it's not like that I am writing an essay, 10 lines of prompt I have written, and then GPT will work like that. No, it's not like that. So I have to learn how can I make this 10 line of information which is in my mind and which I have received from the business to implement in 2 lines or 3 lines. So I can provide this information to GPT and I can get the results which I am expecting. So those kind of skills we need to build when this GPTs will be coming. And of course there will be maintenance of GPT, because it is just another feature we can say, and another application or feature we can say, and for sure it needs the maintenance or support whenever is required. So those are the capabilities which are going to bring with the Einstein GPT, and that is going to be the future in Salesforce with the generative AI. And the very last, I can only say that it will not be same as the chat GPT that we are seeing today, because chat GPT has access to worldwide data, but the Einstein GPT will not be having that much of access to worldwide data. It will only be having the access to the data that is inside the Salesforce, or that is a business allows to provide the accessibility to the data. So it's not gonna be that you can get everything or anything from this Einstein GPT. That will be available on chat GPT kind of tools, but not Einstein GPT, because the data would be limited here, would be related to the customers of the business which is residing in Salesforce, or it could be outside also. How depends upon how it is integrated, or how your Salesforce org is integrated with other systems. But yes, it will be limited to the business only. So that was all about the overview of Einstein GPT generative AI for CRM. Thanks for watching.